Comica, I've heard about this brand, but I never had the chance to check out any of their products until now. I was sent this condenser microphone, the Comica STM USB, and today I will review it. From all the microphones that I have reviewed, this one has the best packaging. It doesn't feel cheap, and to address the elephant in the room, it wasn't cheap either. This microphone cost £122 or $119. For some reason, it is cheaper in the States. As we have a look at the box, we can see how this mic looks like, and I have to say that it is way different to the other microphones. But let's check what's inside the box. A carrying pouch, some booklets, the warranty card, the user manual and a sticker, the condenser microphone, the pop filter which has a futuristic shape, the Type-C to Type-C cable, the Type-C to normal USB cable, 3/8 ring mount, and a tripod stand. Before I talk about this device, let me show you the setup and what I use as a comparison. Let me take my phone out. On top of the tripod there is the camera, the Sony a7 Mark III mirrorless camera. On top of that there is this Deity V3 shotgun mic which is connected via the audio cable to the camera. Now the Comica STM USB is connected via the Type-C cable to my iPad Pro, and the sound is or the audio is recorded using the built-in app called Voice Memos. The audio will be synced in post-production but not edited, so what you can hear is the raw sound coming from these two devices. For the record, I do not edit the audio at all. I like it how it sounds unedited. Just keep an eye on the screen to see when I switch from the Deity microphone to the Comica STM USB. The first thing that I noticed about this microphone is that it comes with a couple of knobs and buttons. At the front it has the gain knob. What I found is that it does a great job if it sits in between 25 and 30%, but let's test it and see. Currently the gain knob is at 10%, give or take, and I move up to 25% and this is how it sounds. If I increase it to 50, the audio sounds something like this. Now I move up to 75% and from here you can probably hear that that unwanted audio that you don't want it on your video. The next step is to go all the way up to 100% and this is how it sounds. But now let's get back to 25%. Let me know in the comment section below how it sounds and what is, in your opinion, the optimum gain level on this microphone. The next knob is the volume, which is used for the headphones, and yes, this mic has a headphone jack to monitor the audio in real time and there is no lag at all. Here is the headphone jack on the side of the mic. Below it there is the mute button which comes in handy, and I believe that every mic should have one. The last button, which is actually a switch, is for the audio and has two modes. The first one is to catch audio coming from the front of the microphone, and the second mode is to capture audio coming from the front and from the back of the microphone. So this mic can switch from single mode to omnidirectional mode. The second mode comes in handy, especially when doing face-to-face interviews or podcasts where only one microphone is available. And to prove that it does well, I will test it now. What you heard so far is the actual audio coming straight from the front of the mic. Now I switch to the omnidirectional mode, and as I turn around the device, you can hear the audio coming from the other side of the mic, from the back of the mic. I can say that the mic at the back has more gain than the one at the front. This Comica STM USB microphone is made of metal and feels great in hand. The build quality is also great, but I can say this only about the actual unit and not about the accessories, and we will see what I meant by that. It is super easy to put together. The pop filter just pops in. It looks good, but don't expect it to be high quality. The tripod stand is made of plastic and the only metal used is for the screw. The stand is flimsy and tends to wobble. The bright side is that although this mic doesn't have a shock mount, the effect is mimicked with the help of this tripod stand. As in the box there is the 3/8 ring mount, I can mount the mic on a boom pole or on an articulated arm and it makes it look badass. I quite fancy this look. The best feature of this microphone is the Type-C port, which opens the door to multiple opportunities of how this device can be used. As I showed before, the mic is currently connected to the iPad Pro using the Type-C to Type-C cable, as the iPad has a Type-C port, so there's no need for a dongle or for an adapter. Used with this cable, the mic can also connect to a MacBook or to my Samsung smartphone, and using a dongle it can connect to even an iPhone. When used with the Type-C to Type-A cable, it can connect to devices that have normal ports, normal USB ports like PCs, laptops and even consoles. The best usage of this mic is for voiceovers, interviews and podcasts. Just think about it, you don't need a lot of equipment to take with you to do an interview at a different location. Just put the Comica STM mic in the carrying pouch, don't forget to add the cable, and just take the smartphone or the tablet with you. That's it. One thing to remember is the position of this mic. It needs to be not more than 20 centimeters away from your mouth for optimum audio. As I move back from the mic, this will still catch the sound, but it will not be as clear as I'd sit in front of it at a normal distance. I agree that the mic gain can be increased, but do you remember the test that we've done with the gain knob? So let me know what you think. Based on what you've seen and heard, how does this microphone sound? If you're interested in getting one, check the description below where you can find the link. I hope you enjoyed this review and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon to be notified of other product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.